From the outside, little Ava looks happy. Inside, however, she's hurting badly.
We have to get help for her now, really now, because the HSE said that they would look towards Ava's application for medicinal cannabis as a priority. They'd look at it urgently, but their sense of urgency and our sense of urgency are not meeting up at all.
Earlier this month, a government-commissioned report recommended that certain patients, including those with severe epilepsy, be given access to medicinal cannabis on compassionate grounds. Ava's family, however, have heard nothing since.
They just need to just allow this child the medication that she needs, because what we have isn't working and I have nothing else to give her.
Up until now, Ava's parents never wanted to release footage of their daughter suffering a seizure. But now they've asked that images of what she experiences on a regular basis be broadcast in order to highlight their urgent need for help.
They have the answer, you know, like, we found the answer for them. All they need to do is to sign a piece of paper, communicate with the doctor that we have so that we can get this medication for her, because if we don't get it, I have nothing else to give my daughter. I have nothing else.
Seizures can often last up to 30 minutes at a time.
That seizure that she had yesterday, when she goes into that seizure, you don't know what way she's going to be when she comes out of that. Her life is on the line. It really, really is on the line every time.
The family claims its application for medicinal cannabis is not being given enough attention.
I spoke to the Minister today. He's meeting the family on Thursday. He has very much, committed to looking at the whole issue and to making some recommendations and to bringing action into being. And I'm sure this will happen sooner rather than later.
Vera Twomey says Fine Gael politicians should ask themselves if a leadership race is more important than her daughter. Paul Byrne, 3 News, Cork.